Who can create epics, features, and user stories within an Agile Scrum team, and why collaboration plays a key role? Epics are large, overarching objectives that represent big chunks of work or business goals. Who creates epics? The product owner, or PO, is typically the primary person responsible for creating epics because they own the product backlog and have a deep understanding of business goals and priorities. For example, a product owner in an e-commerce project might create an epic like enhance the mobile shopping experience. Stakeholders or business owners could include executives, department heads, or other business leaders. They might propose high-level epics based on strategic goals. The PO reviews, refines, and integrates stakeholder ideas into actionable epics. For instance, a marketing director might suggest an epic like launch a holiday season campaign feature set. Scrum team members, including development team members, might identify the need for technical epics, especially for architecture or infrastructure work. For example, a developer could propose an epic like upgrade backend systems for higher scalability. Why are epics created? Epics provide a framework for organizing the product backlog and ensure work aligns with strategic goals. They are eventually broken down into smaller, actionable work items, like features and user stories. Features are medium-level components derived from epics, delivering meaningful chunks of functionality to the user. Product owner. The product owner is primarily responsible for creating features because they connect business needs with deliverable outcomes. POs may consult stakeholders and the team to prioritize features. For example, from the epic enhanced mobile shopping experience, a product owner might create a feature like implement a one-click checkout process for mobile users. Business analysts, if available. In some organizations, business analysts help break down epics into features by adding details and ensuring they meet business needs. For example, a business analyst might refine a feature like add a wish list functionality on the mobile app. Scrum team members. The team may identify technical features necessary to support business features. For example, a developer might propose a feature like integrate payment gateway for international currencies. Features group related user stories and ensure the delivery of cohesive functionality that provides significant value to the end user. User stories are the smallest units of work and focus on the perspective of the end user. Who creates user stories? Product owner. The PO is accountable for translating customer and stakeholder requirements into user stories. For example, from the feature, implement a one-click checkout process, a user story might be, as a shopper, I want to save my payment details so that I can check out faster next time. Scrum team members. Developers and testers often write user stories related to technical tasks, improvements, or bugs. They also collaborate with the PO during backlog refinement. For example, a developer might write a story like, as a system admin, I want to log API failures so I can monitor system health. Customers or stakeholders. While they don't write user stories directly, customers and stakeholders often describe their needs, which the PO translates into stories. For example, a customer might request, I want to track my order status in real time, which the PO documents as a user, I want to view my order's delivery status so that I can know when it will arrive. Collaborative team effort. During backlog refinement or story writing workshops, the entire Scrum team, product owner, developers, and testers, collaborates to ensure user stories are clear, small enough, and well-defined with acceptance criteria. Why are user stories created? User stories ensure a clear focus on end-user needs. They help break down features into small, testable, and deliverable tasks for a single sprint. Best practices for creating epics, features, and user stories. Collaborative refinement. Always involve the Scrum team in defining and refining backlog items to ensure feasibility and shared understanding. focus on value. Use the INVEST criteria for user stories: independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, testable, and ensure features and epics align with business goals. Vertical slicing. Ensure that each feature or story delivers a complete slice of functionality that users can experience, rather than focusing on back-end or front-end tasks in isolation. Prioritize regularly. Keep epics, features, and stories updated to reflect changing priorities or customer needs. Summary. Epics focus on high-level objectives, typically created by the product owner and stakeholders. Features are mid-level work items, mostly detailed by the product owner and refined with the team or analysts. User stories are granular tasks focusing on user needs, created collaboratively by the product owner and team. By involving the team in all levels of backlog creation, you ensure alignment, feasibility, and a shared understanding of goals and deliverables.